me give you two ways on how to round the edges of a sheet, because obviously you cannot fillet it right away. The first technique is simply select this sheet and look for thicken sheet, thicken this guy, go to edge mode, select this edge, BD, can do the rounding thing, go back to face mode, select this, Alt J, so you can separate this original face from the thickened stuff, delete the thickened stuff, and there you go. The second method, you select the edges, duplicate them, then isolate them, Shift A, create a line like so where you want the rounding to begin. The other line is obviously at the other edge. Select the main edge, cut the curve with these lines, which are the cutters. Delete them, go to control point mode, select both control points, bridge vertex, G1 continuity, bring back the sheet, select this one, Shift I for imprint curve, select the curve which we want to imprint, face mode, Shift X, here you have the second rounding.